cobwebs, spiders. Good day, Country Biker here, and once more we're at Dr. John's. What's the recipe today, John?
Today we're fitting the black box.
Front.
That's it really. So a little camera at the front, little camera at the back, a GPS and the box.
Sounds easy. So it was easy, and there were two in the headlight. The same. We're just discussing how to connect the power. One option is to have it only record when you put the brakes on. Probably not practical by the time it's booted up, but as John says,
just before you have an accident, hit the brakes.
Save your SD card.
That there?
Yeah, it's good to me. You're worse at that than me.
This is ridiculous.
Don't we have a go? I've done a lot of them.
Falling down at the first.
Everything go into it.
Now this one should be easier.
That's brilliant. Yeah, you're videoing the pavement everywhere you go now because it's off to one side. Never mind, eh? That'll be right.
That's light.
Yeah, there's lights on you. Press the brake pedal. And again. So, the unit's going to sit there. We have the front camera in, the rear camera in. What we're doing now is looking for some way of turning the unit on and off. So we're going to use the permanent connection for the tail light. Go. Yes.
Hang on. Brakes.
Yeah, all working. All as before.
So we now have a switch power source.
Yeah, and it's as long as you like.
Yeah.
Well, you can leave that here where you went out. Don't like that. As I say, I've thought it's just solder it, and it's turned out it's actually gone all the way through before now. Okay.
And I've lost my keys.
Ready
You
to
ready?
power up. What could go wrong?
You
Woo.
It's the front.
Yeah. Back.
Back.
Everything.
Yeah. And it's
Oh, look, everything's working fine. We've got GPS data. We've got cameras front and back. And we've got spaghetti. Look how neat all that is. GPS lights, everything. We're going to do now is put the seat back on and it will stop working entirely. Seat goes back on. Yeah.
Hey! My preview's working.
Good. Finishing touches.